हेलो चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम पढ़ेंगे पाठ क्रमांक 4। पाठ का नाम है संत कबीरदास। चिल्ड्रन, टुडे we are going to see our lesson number 4. Lesson name is Sant Kabirdas. Yes children, we have already seen the lesson, we have read the lesson. Now this session is about reading session. Okay children, we will read the lesson with its exercises, with its अभ्यास। बच्चों, आज हम इस पाठ को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ेंगे उसके अभ्यास के साथ। तो ठीक है बच्चों, हम आज पाठ के तरफ बढ़ते हैं। ओके चिल्ड्रन, देन लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर लेसन। First of all children, I will read the lesson using its matra, one letter, one word I will read. Okay children, concentrate properly. बच्चों ध्यान से देखिए, मैं एक एक शब्द मात्राओं के साथ पढ़ने वाली हूँ। आप अच्छे तरह से ध्यान लगाकर देखना। Okay children, then now let's move on to our lesson. First word what it is children? He. In, half letter no, so it is in. Big D. He in the Hindi. K. Ma ha in, mahan. Children, I told you no, in a word, in the last letter, if it is not having matras, we will read as half letter. Half pronunciation only we will give. Okay, so ma ha in, mahan. कवियों में, कबीरदास। का नाम, सर्वश्रेष्ठ। Children, you may be imagining that what is this matra? This curve one having above what is this matra? This matra is children ra matra. This matra is ra matra. So how to read that ra matra with the letter? So children, first we will read sa, then we will read that matra letter. So sa, ra, va, she, ishta, सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। हिंदी के महान कवियों में कबीरदास का नाम सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। काशी के, लहर तारा, नामक, स्थान में, इनका जन्म हुआ था। I will read the sentence. काशी के लहर तारा नामक स्थान में इनका जन्म हुआ था। Next sentence. एक विधवा, ब्राह्मणी के, इनको जन्म दिया था। एक विधवा ब्राह्मणी ने इनको जन्म दिया था। अगला वाक्य, नेक्स्ट लाइन चिल्ड्रन। नीमा, नीरू, नामक, मुसलमान, मुसलमान। The empty. See children here, the ma is halfly joined to pa, so we'll pronounce im. The empty. Dampati. Children, that half letter, which letter is joined to other letter, that letter only we will pronounce as a half pronunciation. Next letter we will pronounce as fully only. See, the ma only halfly joined, so we will pronounce as im. Then Fully we will read the letter as it is. P. T. Dampati. K. Yahan. इनका. पालन. पालन. पोषण. पोषण. हुआ. नीमा नेहरू नामक मुसलमान दंपति के यहाँ इनका पालन पोषण हुआ. कबीर. कबीर. अनपढ़. अनपढ़. थे. कबीर अनपढ़ थे. अनपढ़ मीन्स uneducated. लेकिन. लेकिन. अनुभव. अनुभव. और. आत्म ज्ञान. आत्मज्ञान. See children, again ta is joined to ma. So ta only we will pronounce as half letter. Ma we will fully pronounce. So atma jnaan. Atmagyan. Again last letter having no matra, so it will be pronounced as half letter only. K. B-il. Bal. P-ir. Par. Ye. Mahan. Mahan. S having one dot. Which matra? Am matra. Sun. It. Sant. Sabit. Sabit. हुए. लेकिन अनुभव और आत्मज्ञान के बल पर ये महान संत साबित हुए. नेक्स्ट लाइन चिल्ड्रन. इनकी. इनकी भाषा. भाषा. सदुकड़ी. सदुकड़ी. See children, again one ka is halfly joined and one ka is written as fully. So one ka we will pronounce as halfly and next we will pronounce. Sadu-ik-kadi. Children, you may be imagining that how to read as half letter. One letter is written as half, but how we have to read that as half letter? Children, join E to that letter and that word. You will be getting like half letter. For example, see, one more I am telling. Ma. Okay, so im. Im. E joined with the ma. Im. Like that, if we read, you join with the E and that letter, you will be getting as half letter. See, again, ka. Ik. La. Il. Ta. It. Ra. Ir. Ma. Im. Va. Iv. Like that children. Okay. Then we will move on to our next line. इनके. इनके विचारों. विचारों. और भावनाओं को. भावनाओं. भावनाओं को इनके शिष्य. शिष्य. लिपिबादद. कर लेते थे. I'll read the sentence children. इनके विचारों और भावनाओं को इनके शिष्य लिपिबादत कर लेते थे. कबीर. कबीर की तीन रचनाएं. रचनाएं प्रचलित हैं. जो साखी. सबद. और रमैनी. See children, ma is having I matra. So ma plus I, mai. Ramaini. K. Naim. नाम से संकलित. संकलित है. So what is the sentence, children? कबीर की 3 रचनाएं प्रचलित है जो साखी, सबद और रामायणी के नाम से संकलित है. Okay children, so what is our next line? बच्चों हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. कबीर, कबीर. भगवान, भगवान. के, रूप, रूप. और. रंग, रंग, रंग. को, नहीं, नहीं. मानते थे. कबीर भगवान के रूप और रंग को नहीं मानते थे. ये having ये मात्रा, ये. मुंह. Again this children, this ra matra came. So how to pronounce that? First letter we have to pronounce, then we have to pronounce the ra, then we have to pronounce the letter. So murti, murti. Pujan, pujan. So one more time children I will tell you. If you see that ra matra, we have to pronounce that ra matra before that letter. If it is joined to ti, so we have to pronounce that ra before ti. So how it will come? Murti, murti. Pujain, pujan. Murti pujan. Ka, khand, in, खंडन. किया, करते थे. Next, कबीर, कबीर. ज्ञानी, ज्ञानी. और महान, महान थे. कबीर ज्ञानी और महान थे. साहित्य. Again children, this half letter came, so that half letter join only will pronounce like half. Then which letter it is joined to, that we will read as fully. Sahitya, sahitya. जगत, जगत में. इनका नाम. स्वर्णियम. See children, again that ra came. So ra we will pronounce which letter it is joined. Before that letter we will read. So first we will read swa. Ra, ni, yam. Swarniyam. अक्षरों में. लिखने योग्य है. So again children I will read. साहित्य जगत में इनका नाम स्वर्णीयम अक्षरों में लिखने योग्य है. Next children, now we will see its exercises. Okay children, now we will move on to its abhyas. Okay, so what is the first one? First one it is Shrutilek. Children, Shrutilek means D words. So what are our D words? We will read Ma-ha-in, mahan. Sta-in, stan. Pa-la-in, palan. Ba-sha, basha. Anubhav, anubhav. Gyani, gyani. नामक, नामक. कबीर, कबीर. पोषण, पोषण. जन्म, जन्म. योग्य, योग्य. काशी. So what are our words children? First one mahan, stan, palan, भाषा, अनुभव, ज्ञानी, नामक, कबीर, पोषण, जन्म, योग्य, काशी. Okay children, now we will move on to our next part. बच्चों तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. हम अभी सीखेंगे खाली जगह भरो. Students, what is the meaning of khali jagah bharo? It means fill in the blanks. Khali means what, children? Khali means empty. Jagah, place. Bharo, fill. So they are telling fill the empty place. Okay, children. So first one we'll see. कबीर भगवान के डैश और डैश को नहीं मानते थे. कबीर भगवान के रंग और रूप को नहीं मानते थे. नेक्स्ट, कबीर ज्ञानी डैश महान थे. कबीर ज्ञानी और महान थे. साहित्य जगत में इनका नाम डैश अक्षरों में लिखने योग्य है. साहित्य जगत में इनका नाम स्वर्णीयम अक्षरों में लिखने योग्य है. कबीर की भाषा सदुकड़ी है. सदुकड़ी मीन्स चिल्ड्रन लाइक पोएट्री. स्वर्णीयम मीन्स गोल्डन. सो कबीर की भाषा सदुकड़ी है. मुसलमान दंपति के यहाँ इनका डैश हुआ. मुसलमान दंपति के यहाँ इनका जन्म हुआ. Okay children, then what is our next part? We'll see. It is सही मिलान कीजिए. सही मिलान कीजिए means match the following. Now children, we'll see the match the following. Sahi means correct. Milan means match. So Kabir, we will match to Sant. Why we are matching Kabir to Sant? Because Sant means saint. So Kabir is a saint. Kabir, saint. Kashi, Lahar Tara. Why we are matching Kashi to Lahar Tara? Lahar Tara is a small place in Kashi. So Kashi, Lahar Tara. Swarniyam. Swarniyam, Akshar. Swarniyam means golden. So we'll write in golden words. So Akshar. Shishya, Lipi Badat. Why we are matching to Lipi Badat? His Shishya used to write for him, writing. So Lipi Badat will match to Shishya. Sadukadi. Sadukadi means it's a like poetry. He used to talk. What he used to talk? Language, no. So Bhasha. So one more time we'll see. Kabir, Sant. Kashi, Lahar Tara. Swarniyam, Akshar. शिष्य, लिपि बादत. सदुकड़ी, भाषा. Next one children, it is उल्टे शब्द. उल्टे शब्द, उल्टे means opposite. शब्द, opposite words. First one we'll see unpad. Unpad means children what? Unpad means uneducated. So uneducated opposite in English it will be educated or knowledgeable person. So unpad, uneducated, opposite is jnani, knowledgeable person. Unpad, jnani. Prasiddha. Children, prasiddha means what? Prasiddha means famous. So famous opposite not famous, not to be famous. Okay, so it will be aprasiddha. Prasiddha, aprasiddha. Next one, Gyan. Gyan means knowledge. So no knowledge, it will be agyan. Gyan, agyan. Janma, maran. Janma means birth. Maran means death. Birth opposite death. Maran. So one more time children, I'll read and show. बच्चों मैं एक बार फिर से दोहरा देती हूँ. अनपढ़, ज्ञानी. प्रसिद्ध, अप्रसिद्ध. ज्ञान, अज्ञान. जन्म, मरण. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. We have seen the reading session with its exercises. Okay children, we'll meet into our next class. Thank you children. धन्यवाद बच्चों।